What's good? What's good? We back. Y'all know what it is. And y'all damn sure know what it ain't. And y'all can see I'm in my bucket. Came from running some errands. And I didn't want to drive my car downtown because they be hitting you, side swiping and just nicking the car on the side. You can see a new scratch on the car. So I'm going to drive my bucket. So people like, dang, in a bucket? Hell yeah, I'm in a motherfucking bucket. But anyway, back to the lecture at hand. I just want to tell you people, man, stop, and I mean this, stop discouraging yourself, or don't let others discourage you, because we in a business to where we got to have a formula and a plan. We got to stick to it. If it don't work, we have to critique it. We got to go ahead and tweak it to get it right. So if we don't do that, then how do we know what we can grow to? How do we know what is our real full potential that we have if we don't stick to it? Now, my best advice to somebody that I can tell you is that believe in yourself. If you don't believe in anything else, believe in yourself. Like Mr. Organic would say, believe in yourself like you believe in God. Because he made us in his image. Now, he didn't say that part, but he said believe in yourself like you believe in God. That's what Mr. Organic said. I'm going to tell you the same thing. Believe in yourself like you believe in God. Because we are made in our Creator's image. Straight up. But don't get overwhelmed with stuff that you cannot fix or cannot change. So a lot of things in life can be overwhelming. You can't fix it, can't change it. Just try to pick the best way that you can go through it and learn from it and not repeat your mistakes. Because that's the thing. I try not to do the same thing twice. If it's something that's I'm gonna bump my head and learn from, or something that's going to remind me of that, or something that seems similar to it, like, oh, nah, So that's what I gotta tell you guys. The reason why I'm giving you guys this information or sharing my brain with you guys on this topic, because I had a couple of customers, just recently had 5 customers, but during the time that I have been doing this DTF printing, and it's been over a handful of times I can count, and on hands and feet, and need somebody else's feet, that people don't know what they was doing with the DTF, and they basically was just like, you know what, I don't want to do it. You can just keep a couple dollars or give me a refund back or whatever. I'm like, no, because if I lose a potential customer, then that's not going to sit right with me, and me knowing somebody didn't get the actual quality work that they set out for when they went on the website, or when they seen my YouTube videos and seen the images I was putting out, and they wanted to say, hey, let me see this guy my image. That won't sit right with me if I let you leave you on stuck like that. Can't leave a homie on stuck, you know. And this is for man, woman, and child, black, white, pink, purple, green. I don't give a goddamn from fucking outer space. But that is what it is. So that's why I do what I do, because at the same time I help people the way I wanted to be helped. When I came to this DTF, I didn't have nobody that I could have been like, damn, this guy could have helped me the way I do. And a lot of people don't understand that they burn their bridges with me, or they for slowly burning their bridges with me. You know, so I just keep that, you know, into consideration. I don't forget nothing. I just kick back and let it just pile up. You know what? Today's your day, nigga. I'm cutting your ass off. Don't call me no more. Don't shop. Get your refund. Whatever. I don't need your business. That is what I do. It's more easier for me and you, because a lot of people, they disrespectful, and they don't know what they're talking about. They get mad at you and expect you to know what they mean. And just because I deal with you back and forth so much don't mean I'm supposed to know what you want. You know, I have options of things and multiples of variations of products, and multiple customers that I talk to. Some people I don't need to talk to at all. I just leave them unread. It's because some people just rub me the wrong way, or they answer a question. They ask a question, so like it's, you know, hey, that's not even a question, reaction. But if you're serious about it, contact me. Go to my website and contact me if you're serious about it. You gonna ask me a question, I don't care what time zone you in. Figure out what time zone I'm in and call around that time. Simple as that. If you want something bad enough, you're gonna figure out how to go get it. Or if you feel it ain't worth it, then you ain't gonna push for it. So that's just where I look at it. A lot of people feel, hey, that's not worth it, man. I don't need that. I'm good. Well, hey, that's how you weed out certain people, serious about what they want to do. Because I had a lot of people they call me all the time. How much is that printer? How much for those transfers? Or how much for this size transfer? And they look at my my YouTube videos, and they ask me questions that I already be answering inside the videos. You won't get no answer from me. I wouldn't even waste my time. So like people call, well, they don't call me, because I just don't accept random calls. That's just the business, people don't call me like my personal line, like ask me questions. They just call the business line. And I respond, I do. If I don't, I don't. And you'll know how to handle it from there. So I got a couple of people that's on my YouTube page, and I haven't responded to, because the question they asked me is something they already, like, oh, where I get these lights from my printer? Like, hey, everybody knows eBay. So I found them at. You know what I mean? But I guess they want to know exactly what lights I got. I won't ever tell the person exactly where I get my products from. I give you a ballpark figure, but not exactly what my vendor is that I use to give to you. So I'm cool, but not that cool. Like, here, go right here so I get all my products and stuff from. Like, I ain't that cool, nigga. What's wrong with you? A lot of people don't even donate to the channel. I tell people, I charge donations. You want to talk to me, I charge a $50 Cash App donation to help support my channel if you want to talk to me. Why? Because the information that I'm going to tell you, I'm going to put it on my channel, or it's already on my channel and you just didn't go through the video to find it. So my time is money, and my time is valuable, and I get paid for what I know and what I do. I don't get paid off of charity, but it would be nice if somebody was to pay me off of charity. But everything I do is because I learned trial and error, then blew out printers, then blew out motherboards, and had to go fix them and do all things under the sun and in the shade and in the dark and make it work. So that information is valuable to me, because I have to stay up sleepless nights, a lot of days, a lot of weeks, a lot of months, to a couple of years. And all this information I had to go and learn myself, self-taught. Nobody teach me anything. And for me to give out my hard-earned time, sweat equity to a person is for thank you. My printer is fixed now. I can go put this order in for these 40 shirts the person asked me for. And I have another customer ask me for 50 shirts. And I go make this money. But you don't want to donate to me, and I help you with a problem. They get the fuck out of here. I'm going to go try that on somebody else's channel, not over here. I'm a nice guy, but some people just rub me the wrong way. So we're going to do what the competitors do. We're going to get charged. But you ain't going to pay a lot. What I'm asking for is crumbs, kibbles and kibbles of $1 compared to what you're going to pay your another company to get information, or they send out a technician to help you with your problem. And people people know this. They know that, and they still don't want to give you a simple donation to somebody working hard to give you guys information. But they don't want to pay Epson thousands, and they don't want to pay you dollars. That's crazy. So blow your printer out or your motherboard, or clog your printer up and don't know how to unclog it, and see how much money you're going to spend, versus giving it to somebody who's going to help you from the get-go. Say, hey, just do this, and your printer, it won't clog so fast. Then you do this, do that, and you just save your head life. Hey, put this setting right here on, you won't get this head straight. Use this setting right here, and it'll make your colors adjustments come out right. So people know those different type of informations already, then you golden. But for the ones who don't know the information, they searching, they need the information to find, so they can get their business going or fix their problem, then you're gonna be in trouble. So I just look at it for what it is and not what people tell me, because I know, and I'm still learning, and I just look at certain things like, man, for a person to start out, they're gonna have to get their head right. You have to get your head rung a couple of times. Like Dr. Dre said, gotta keep the heads ringing. Your head gonna get rung a couple of times. I'm not going this way right here, because I already see what the bluff is. But not I said the smart one. Not I said the smart one. I'll go this way instead. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to give you guys some valuable information. But I'm gonna wrap the video up. Don't talk too long, like I'm rambling. But I just want to give you guys information when it's on my brain fresh, and just to help you guys out the best way I can. So like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, cut your notification bells on to off when I drop new content. Y'all get that? You did? And to another video, I'm out this mother lover, man. Y'all enjoy y'all day. I just did my goddamn lip. Enjoy y'all day.